Keyboard shortcuts are a combination of keys you can press on your keyboard to perform a variety of tasks you'd typically use a mouse to do. I'm going to show you a few simple yet essential keyboard shortcuts. To select all text in a document at once, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. I'm going to copy and paste this text into a new document. To copy the selected text, press Ctrl-C. Now to paste the text, press Ctrl-V. To undo the last action, in this case pasting the text, press Ctrl-Z. Press Ctrl-Y to redo the last action, and the text is repasted into the document. Now that the text is in a new document, I want to save my work. Quickly save a document by pressing Ctrl-S. Finally, the document can be printed by pressing Ctrl-P. Give keyboard shortcuts a try, and you'll find out just how useful they can be.